Have you ever seen a mighty crocodile stealing food from wild dogs? Can you imagine a jackal stealing from a whole pride of lions, not once, but twice? Hunting takes a lot of effort, but stealing is an easy way out in the wild. But that also means a deadly fight with the original owner. So, are you ready to see some raw action? 11 bloody moments of animals stealing food from others. Number 11. Hyenas steal from leopard. Despite being smaller and considered scavengers, hyenas are known for their boldness and resourcefulness when it comes to securing a meal. Leopards, on the other hand, are skilled hunters and fiercely protect their prey from animals that might go after it for an effortless meal. Let's take a look at what happens when a hyena decides to steal food from a leopard. Here's a leopard that has just caught its prey and is now carrying it to enjoy the feast. Except, the plan is cut short by a clan of hungry hyenas. They decide to go after it because it's an easy food. The lone leopard is totally outnumbered and can't fight back. The big cat drops the food and runs with the hyena's attack. But it's not done yet. As the hyenas start munching on the leopard's food, the wildcat charges towards them in an attempt to recover its meal. It grabs the food and tries to climb up a tree, but the clan is quick to intercept. They attack it once again and force the big cat to flee for its life. This leopard has just managed to hunt down an impala, but before it can start feasting, a hyena appears out of nowhere and charges towards the big cat. The attack forces the leopard to abandon its prey and escape. The hyena grabs the food and starts devouring it. Soon, it is joined by another one from the clan, and both get busy trying to rip the impala to shreds. Finally, the hyenas tear the impala apart and start stuffing their faces with the effortless catch. Number 10. Hyena steals from python. We all know how capable hyenas are when it comes to scavenging food. These fearless creatures are notorious for stealing food from other animals, including fierce and massive apex predators. But pythons are a whole different story. These enormous snakes can easily crush and shatter the bones of a hyena that dares to mess with them. Naturally, it isn't really a good idea to steal food from them, except hyenas just don't seem to care. Take a look at this impala, closely inspecting a python that has wrapped itself around its prey. After taking a close look, the hyena patiently waits for an opening to strike. It draws closer to the python, and as soon as it sees an opportunity, the hyena swoops in and grabs the python's prey. The reptile doesn't even realize what hit it. As for the hyena, it carries the prey a few steps and then starts feeding on it. Number 9. Crocodile steals from wild dogs. Crocodiles are formidable predators that are well adapted for life in aquatic environments. However, they are not above resorting to cunning tactics when it comes to securing a meal. These man-eating reptiles will steal food from just about anyone, be it lions or wild dogs. And most animals don't even dare to retaliate because going against a massive crocodile could possibly mean paying with their lives. Take a look at these wild dogs trying to drag this dead impala, probably for a nice meal in peace. However, they rip out the impala's entrails and start feeding in the process. But it's all happening near the water, where a crocodile notices the commotion and moves in to claim the food for itself. It closes in on the carcass, forcing the wild dogs to flee since they couldn't possibly match up to a crocodile. The massive reptile grabs the impala in its jaws and slowly heads back into the water. All the pack can do is watch in disbelief as the crocodile steals their food right in front of their faces. Number 8. Jackal steals from lion. Jackals are opportunistic predators that can hunt on their own or in small packs. Since they are not as strong or as skilled as lions or hyenas, they often choose to steal food rather than risk injury in a confrontation with a larger prey. But stealing a lion's food requires a lot of bravery. One wrong move, and these creatures could end up being killed. So, how do jackals do it? Here's a pride of lions that's so busy feeding on some freshly caught prey that they don't even notice a jackal approaching because they are too busy eating. The jackal takes complete advantage of the situation and sneaks up to the pride. It grabs a piece of the food and immediately makes a run for it. The jackal feeds on the chunk that it stole and then goes in for more. It circles the pride to look for an opening to grab more food and eventually manages to steal another bone. It seems like it's the jackal's lucky day because the pride couldn't care less about the intruder. Here's a buffalo carcass that has been left behind by the lion pride that hunted it down for later consumption. Knowing that the lions might be back soon, the jackal is stuffing its face with as much meat as it possibly can. But before the jackal can take chunks of meat to stash for the coming days, the rightful owner of the carcass calls for the pride. Realizing that the lions might be returning, the jackal quickly leaves with a full stomach before the pride's arrival. Number 7. Hyena steals from cheetah. We've already seen how well hyenas work when it comes to stealing food from leopards, but what about other big cats like cheetahs? After all, cheetahs are the fastest land animals, and outrunning these big cats after stealing their meal seems like a real challenge. What do you think happens when a hyena steals from a cheetah? This next video might have some answers for us. Here's a cheetah that has just taken down an impala, but things take an unexpected turn even before the wild cat can start feeding on it. A hyena has shown up at the scene and keeps an eye on the cheetah. It quickly charges in towards the big cat as the cheetah tries to fight back, but unfortunately, it is forced back by the attacker. With the cheetah gone, the hyena grabs the prey and starts digging into its flesh, an easy meal for the carnivore. This cheetah has come face to face with the hyena that's trying to steal its food. As the hyena moves closer, the wildcat tries to defend and even tries to attack. But the hyena doesn't seem to care about any of that. It simply walks in, grabs the prey, and escapes. Here's another clip showing how daring hyenas are when it comes to stealing food from other animals. Just look at this clan trying to steal a meal from a cheetah, even while it's still feeding on it. Number 6. Lions steal from wild dogs. Wilds are infamous for stealing food from other animals, including deadly predators like lions. But sometimes, the tables turn, and it's the kings of the jungle that steal from wild dogs. When an opponent as fierce as a lion attacks a wild dog pack, even their numbers aren't good enough to save them from the wrath. When it's about raw muscle power, lions always come out on top. This pack of wild dogs is feeding on a carcass they just dragged in. The dogs are busy eating all they can, but moments later, chaos ensues within the pack. Suddenly, the dogs start fleeing after noticing a lion that's headed in their direction. The wild cat claims one of the carcasses and starts feasting on it, as the pack of wild dogs is nowhere to be seen. Number 5. Lion steals from leopard. Lion stealing food from wild dogs is not a big deal. After all, they are much smaller in size. But what if a lion's opponent was one of its own kind? What do you think happens when a lion and leopard go toe-to-toe in an epic face-off? Check out this next clip. Here's a lion that is trying to attack a leopard that's enjoying a meal on a treetop. The lion patiently waits for its opponent to climb down so that it can launch an attack. But it looks like the leopard has no intention of going down. Frustrated, the lion slowly climbs up the tree, forcing the leopard to abandon its meal and climb higher up for its own safety. Except, it turns out that's exactly what the lion wanted. As soon as the lion reaches the treetop, it steals the leopard's meal and starts eating it. This lioness has just noticed a leopard taking down an impala, and she wants in too. The lioness draws towards the leopard as it still maintains its death grip on the impala's neck. As the lioness inches closer, the leopard stands up and weighs its odds. Knowing very well that the lion is way more powerful and unwilling to risk an injury for food, the leopard finally decides to flee with its life. As the leopard disappears, the lioness claims the freshly caught impala and brings it back to her family. A free meal is always welcomed by the pride. Number 4. Leopard reclaims stolen food from hyena. After watching all these videos, it's pretty much clear that hyenas have mastered the art of stealing food from other animals. But if you thought that things always work out for these scavengers, think again. In some of the attempts, hyenas may come across a predator that defends its catch vehemently. Take a look at this hyena attempting to steal a leopard's kill. The hyena grabs the prey in its mouth and tries to run away with it, but the leopard keeps it from escaping. The hyena attacks the big cat in hopes that it would let go of its catch, but the leopard puts up a pretty good fight. But this isn't nearly enough to deter the hyena from stealing. Once again, the invader attempts to run away with the carcass, but the leopard manages to stop it. Also, the carcass seems too big for the hyena to be able to carry on its own. Finally, the leopard does the smartest thing yet. It grabs the carcass and scales a tree, where the hyena simply can't follow. Number 3. Jackal steals from vultures. I don't think there are any other creatures that match up to a vulture when it comes to their scavenging prowess. These massive birds have a highly acidic stomach that allows them to even digest rotten and bacteria-infested meat from day-old kills. But will the vultures prevail against another one of nature's greatest scavengers, the jackals? Let's see. This wake of vultures is busy tearing away at a carcass, completely unaware of the jackal that has its eyes fixed on their food. This bold jackal simply rushes in, grabs a big chunk of the carcass, and tries to get away with it. Even though the vultures didn't seem to care at first, one of them chases after the jackal and attacks it. The ambush compels the thief to drop the stolen food and take a few steps back. But this altercation is far from over. Just moments later, the jackal returns and goes for the big prize as it heads into the vultures and grabs an even bigger piece. This time, it's a successful move as the jackal is able to escape with the food it just stole from the vultures. Number 2. Cat steals fish from a croc. Taking on a crocodile is no joke, even for honed predators like big cats. You see, these deadly reptiles are known to give their opponents a really hard time, no matter how massive or powerful they are. We all know that domestic cats aren't nearly as enormous and intimidating as their wild counterparts are. But what these felines lack in size, they make up for with their wildcat-like skills. Now, will that be enough to steal food from a crocodile? Take a look at this brave and fearless cat sneaking up on a massive crocodile. It is clear that the cat plans on stealing the crocodile's food, a fish, but one wrong move and this feline could end up as the reptile's meal itself. The cat slowly tries to pull the fish towards itself, but when that doesn't work, it simply grabs the fish in its mouth and escapes. As for the reptile, well, it doesn't seem bothered by the cat at all and lets it flee without even flinching. Number 1. Monitor lizards steal croc eggs. Crocodiles are scary just the way they are. These giant reptiles are such killing machines that even other predators don't dare to mess with them. But this monitor lizard might not agree with us. After all, monitor lizards are deadly in their own ways, and they don't seem to be scared of taking on other reptiles. Here's a crocodile that's defending its nest from 2 egg-stealing monitor lizards. One of the lizards tries to sneak up to the nest, but the crocodile notices it soon and chases the intruder away. A few moments later, the other monitor lizard tries its luck, but the serpent is quick to chase it away as well. The intruders try a third time, but with the same outcome. Since attacking head-on doesn't seem to be working out for the lizard, they wait patiently for the croc to leave its nest. Eventually, as the crocodile leaves, one of the lizards uses this opportunity to dig up an egg and escapes with it. That is all for today. Which of these stealing creatures did you find the most impressive? Let us know in the comments. Do not forget to like the video and share with your friends and family. To receive regular updates and notifications, subscribe to our channel and don't forget to press the bell icon. We will be back with another amazing video soon. Till then, goodbye and have a great day.